Question 1. Who presented the Union Budget 2025-26 of India? Correct answer is B. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question 2. In the Union Budget 2025, what was the new income tax rebate limit? Correct answer is C. 12,75,000. Question 3. Which constitutional amendment bill was introduced in August 2025? Correct answer is C. 130th Amendment. Question 4. What is the key provision of the 130th Constitutional Amendment Bill 2025? Correct answer is B. Removal of PM and CMs if detained 30 consecutive days on serious charges. Question 5. Which act was passed in August 2025 to reform sports governance? Correct answer is C. National Sports Governance Act, 2025. Question 6. The National Sports Governance Act, 2025 provides for. Correct answer is B. National Sports Board with Ethics Code and Safe Sports Policy. Question 7. India's first nationwide civil defense mock drill since 1971 was conducted in May 2025. What was it called? Correct answer is C. Operation Abhyas. Question 8. How many districts were covered under Operation Abhyas? Correct answer is C. 244. Question 9. What triggered the 2025 Civil Defense Mock Drill? Correct answer is C. Pahalgam terror attack and India-Pakistan tensions. Question 10. What crisis took place between India and Pakistan in April-May 2025? Correct answer is C. Military crisis with missile strikes and ceasefire. Question 11. The Census 2025-27 will include which new feature? Correct answer is B. First time OBC caste data. Question 12. By when is India's 2025-27 census expected to be completed? Correct answer is B. March 2027. Question 13. At which forum did PM Modi announce India's push in chips, space, and EVs? Correct answer is C. ET World Leadership Forum 2025. Question 14. Which sectors were highlighted in India's Next Gen Ambition 2025? Correct answer is B. Semiconductor chips, space, EVs. Question 15. Which country appointed Christopher Cooter as High Commissioner in 2025? Correct answer is B. Canada. Question 16. Who was appointed as India's High Commissioner to Canada in 2025? Correct answer is C. Dinesh Patnaik. Question 17. On 27 August 2025, what major US policy affected India? Correct answer is C. Tariffs doubled up to 50%. Question 18. Which sectors of India were most affected by US tariff hikes in 2025? Correct answer is C. Textiles, gems and jewelry. Question 19. To counter US tariffs, PM Modi visited which countries in Asia? Correct answer is A. Japan, China, Russia. Question 20. What step restored India-Canada ties in 2025? Correct answer is C. Exchange of High Commissioners. Question 21. Who is the current Chief Justice of India, as of August 2025? Correct answer is C. Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Question 22. Which country hosted the 2025 BRICS Summit? Correct answer is B. India. Question 23. What is the name of India's first eye mission launched in 2025? Correct answer is B. India Eye Mission. Question 24. Which city was ranked as the world's most populated city in 2025 by UN? Correct answer is C. Delhi. Question 25. Who won the Australian Open 2025 men's singles title? Correct answer is C. Jannik Sinner. Question 26. Who won the Australian Open 2025 women's singles title? Correct answer is A. Iga Swiatek. Question 27. Who became the new president of Indonesia in 2025? Correct answer is B. Prabowo Subianto. Question 28. Which Indian city hosted the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025? Correct answer is A. New Delhi. Question 29. Which Indian company became the first to cross $400 billion market capitalization in 2025? Correct answer is B. Reliance Industries. Question 30. Which Indian cricketer became the first to hit 600 international sixes in 2025? Correct answer is A. Rohit Sharma. Question 31. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Correct answer is C. Women of Iran Movement. Question 32. India successfully tested which indigenous missile system in July 2025? Correct answer is A. Agni 6. Question 33. In 2025, which country officially joined BRICS Plus as a new member? Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. Question 34. Who is the new managing director of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, in 2025? Correct answer is D. Nadia Calvinon. Question 35. Which film won the Best Picture award at the Oscars 2025? Correct answer is A. Oppenheimer. Question 36. Which Indian city topped the list of world's most polluted cities in 2025? Correct answer is A. Gurugram. Question 37. India's first underwater metro was inaugurated in 2025 in which city? Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Question 38. Who is the current chairman of ISRO in 2025? Correct answer is B. S. Somnath. Question 39. Which country launched the world's first quantum internet satellite in 2025? Correct answer is B. China. Question 40. Which country won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is C. Pakistan. Question 41. Which Indian state became the first to achieve 100% renewable energy in 2025? Correct answer is B. Sikkim. Question 42. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations in 2025? Correct answer is B. Antonio Guterres. Question 43. India's Chandrayaan-4 mission, announced in 2025, is focused on which objective? Correct answer is C. Lunar sample return. Question 44. Who is the current Finance Minister of India in 2025? Correct answer is A. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question 45. Which country topped the medal tally in the 2025 World Athletics Championships? Correct answer is A. USA. Question 46. India signed a free trade agreement in 2025 with which country? Correct answer is B. UK. Question 47. Which Indian airport became the busiest airport in Asia in 2025? Correct answer is B. Delhi. Question 48. The Green Hydrogen Mission 2025 in India aims to make India a leader in which sector? Correct answer is B. Hydrogen fuel. Question 49. Who became the first woman to head the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SBI, in 2025? Correct answer is A. Madhabi Puri Buch. Question 50. Which Indian state launched the Digital School Project in 2025? Correct answer is A. Kerala. Question 51. Which company became the first Indian firm to manufacture 5nm semiconductor chips in 2025? Correct answer is A. Vedanta Foxconn. Question 52. Which country hosted the G20 Summit 2025? Correct answer is A. Brazil. Question 53. Who won the ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Correct answer is A. Australia. Question 54. Which Indian state was the top performer in Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2025? Correct answer is B. Kerala. Question 55. Which country won the 2025 AFC Asian Cup in football? Correct answer is A. Japan. Question 56. India's first bullet train trial run in 2025 took place between which two cities? Correct answer is A. Mumbai Surat. Question 57. Who became the new Chief of Defence Staff, CDS, of India in 2025? Correct answer is A. General Anil Chauhan. Question 58. Which Indian city hosted the 2025 International Film Festival of India, IFFI? Correct answer is A. Panaji, Goa. Question 59. Which space agency launched the Artemis 3 human moon mission in 2025? Correct answer is B. NASA. Question 60. Which Indian became the world's richest person in 2025? Correct answer is A. Mukesh Ambani. Question 61. Which country won the 2025 Copa America football tournament? Correct answer is B. Argentina. Question 62. Which Indian city hosted the Global Eye Summit 2025? Correct answer is A. Bangalore. Question 63. Who became the first Indian woman astronaut selected for India's Gaganyaan mission in 2025? Correct answer is C. Shalini Menon. Question 64. In 2025, which country officially adopted Bitcoin as a legal tender? Correct answer is B. Paraguay. Question 65. India's first 3D printed housing project for the poor was launched in 2025 in which state? Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 66. Which bank became India's most valuable bank in 2025? Correct answer is A. HDFC Bank. Question 67. Who won the French Open 2025 men's singles title? Correct answer is C. Carlos Alcaraz. Question 68. Which Indian state topped the list in Ease of Doing Business 2025? Correct answer is A. Andhra Pradesh. Question 69. Who became the new NATO Secretary General in 2025? Correct answer is B. Mark Rutte. Question 70. India launched its first solar mission, Aditya L1, in which year? Correct answer is A. 2023. Question 71. Which Indian city was declared the cleanest city in the Swachh Sarvekshan Awards 2025? Correct answer is A. Indore. Question 72. Which country topped the 2025 Human Development Index, HDI? Correct answer is A. Norway. Question 73. Which Indian startup became the first unicorn of 2025? Correct answer is A. Zepto. Question 74. Who won the Wimbledon 2025 women's singles title? Correct answer is B. Aryna Sabalenka. Question 75. Which country hosted the 2025 UN Climate Change Conference, COP30? Correct answer is A. Brazil. Question 76. Which country won the 2025 FIH Hockey World Cup, Men? Correct answer is B. India. Question 77. Who is the current president of France in 2025? Correct answer is A. Emmanuel Macron. Question 78. India's Project Nilgiri, launched in 2025, is related to which field? Correct answer is A. Defense shipbuilding. Question 79. Which Indian state launched the Mission Vatsalya for child welfare in 2025? Correct answer is B. Maharashtra. Question 80. Which country won the 2025 FIFA U-20 World Cup? Correct answer is A. Brazil. Question 81. Which Indian state launched the Mission Lakshya for skill development in 2025? Correct answer is A. Haryana. Question 82. Who became the new CEO of Google in 2025? Correct answer is A. Sundar Pichai. Question 83. In 2025, which country became the world's largest economy, GDP? Correct answer is B. China. Question 84. India's first space-based solar observatory launched in 2025 is called. Correct answer is C. Aditya L1. Question 85. Who won the US Open 2025 men's singles title? Correct answer is B. Carlos Alcaraz. Question 86. Which Indian state started the Smart Village program in 2025? Correct answer is A. Gujarat. Question 87. Who is the current World Bank president in 2025? Correct answer is B. Ajay Banga. Question 88. India's first eye-powered hospital was inaugurated in 2025 in which city? Correct answer is A. Bangalore. Question 89. Which country won the 2025 ICC Women's ODI World Cup? Correct answer is B. Australia. Question 90. Which Indian became the first to win the Global Teacher Prize 2025? Correct answer is A. Ranjit Singh Desale. Question 91. Which country hosted the 2025 World Expo? Correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Question 92. India's first Hyperloop project, trial run, in 2025 connected which two cities? Correct answer is A. Mumbai Pune. Question 93. Which Indian cricketer scored the fastest double century in ODIs in 2025? Correct answer is A. Shubman Gill. Question 94. Who became the first female Prime Minister of Japan in 2025? Correct answer is A. Sane Takahashi. Question 95. India's first quantum computing center was inaugurated in 2025 in which state? Correct answer is A. Karnataka. Question 96. Which country topped the medal tally in the 2025 Summer Universiade? Correct answer is A. China. Question 97. Who is the current RBI governor in 2025? Correct answer is B. Shaktikanta Das. Question 98. Which Indian state hosted the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question 99. Who won the 2025 Booker Prize? Correct answer is D. Amitav Ghosh. Question 100. Which country launched the first fully eye-operated warship in 2025? Correct answer is B. China.